Oh, but you're gonna have to wear the helmet, huh?
Nah, I have to.
You have to.
We're just gonna be in the neighborhood.
You're gonna be younger. You're younger. Here.
I'm taller than you. Look, I think you're the child.
Oh, but then they're gonna see me.
And?
They're gonna see me squidding. No, but you're gonna get. They can get us in trouble.
I could wear my kid's bike. My kid's bike helmet.
With
the one inside.
the blue one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, go ahead.
You're gonna embarrass me. Yeah, just come over here.
No?
Let me just get on like that.
Oh my.
Nobody's gonna know. What, the park? There's gonna be
The officers. They ain't gonna see you.
at the park there's police.
Yeah, but they're there.
We'll just go around the neighborhood. Let me pull the bike back first. Alright guys, so this is the beginning of the lab lifestyle motovlog.
Jacob went inside already.
Oh yeah. I'm finally able to start it. I've been wanting to start it. But yeah. So it's, I'm pretty badass that I'm be able to do this. I'm gonna try to vlog every once in a while whenever I have a chance, whenever I got something to add on to the bike, or I can't wait for this. Hope new things come. I got several plans for this bike. It's pretty cool. Just with this truck too. But can't wait for this bike to come up. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope y'all like it. Subscribe to my channel. I try to make it a little funner. It's like this is just my first one, I actually just put on this GoPro just to try it on, see how it'll work. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.